Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I realized it's been a while since I've done like a cooking with cat video, so I decided why not do one. Today we're gonna be making Chia Fresca, which is like a Mexican lemonade type drink with chia seeds in it. I had it when I was in Mexico a few years ago and I just loved it, so I figured I'd make it. It's been really hot here in Canada the last like week. Even right now it's like 9 at night and it's still really hot. So yeah, so anyways, this is a really nice refreshing drink. Chia seeds have a bunch of nutrients in it, so that's really good to have, as well as overall it's just kind of an energy and like antioxidant and refreshing drink. So yeah, let's go ahead and make it. So first thing is get some chia seeds, and we're gonna put just 1 tablespoon into a glass. You can put more if you like. Sometimes I like to put more, but technically you're supposed to put in 1 tablespoon. So, and then we're going to add some water. Fill it most of the way. You can already see how the chia seeds are kind of, yeah. And then we're going to take 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and put it in as well. That to the side. And then you're going to want to stir it a little bit. Just kind of mix everything up. Now the chia seeds are really going to taste like seeds right now, but then you're supposed to let them sit for about 5 minutes, and then it'll really start to like congeal, like they become a little bit gelatinized, and yeah, they're best when they're like that. If you're not good with textures, I don't know if this would be the best drink for you. Okay. Now we're going to put in some honey. You can also put in agave or maple syrup or sugar. Traditionally though, it's more honey or agave. So I'm not going to put in an exact amount, I'm just going to kind of do like 2 swirls, if that makes sense. Here, I'll bring it closer to show you. So it's just going to kind of be like 1, 2. There we go. And then stirring that until it's all mixed up. Sugar will dissolve quicker in this drink, whereas honey is going to take a little bit to dissolve. It's a little bit annoying, but it's also healthier than processed sugar. So just stirring it. And this is a really refreshing drink to have like in the afternoon on a really hot day, or you know, 9 o'clock when it's still like 30 degrees out. So, or well, like 27 probably now, but Canada's hot and humid right now, so. So now we're just gonna leave this for a couple minutes and then we can come back and try it. Alright, so it's been about 5 minutes now. You can see they're starting to gelatinize a little bit. Sometimes the chia seeds will kind of go to the top or the bottom. That's really fine. You can just like stir it with your straw when you drink it more. And if you taste it and it's not sweet enough for you, just add a little bit more honey. So yeah. That's really good. So yeah, I hope you guys try this and that you like it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe and put on the bell notification if you want to be notified when I make new videos, and all the links and stuff are down below, as well as I'll put the recipe for this drink down below as well if you want to check that out. Yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.